Hello guys, welcome to my channel Study Hacks. Today, we are going to talk about one of the widely used application, which is MS Excel. It contains spreadsheets, which can be used from basic data entry to advanced data analysis. We can also create complex models in Excel, which are very useful in business sector. I am going to create a playlist, which contain different videos, from basic to advanced features of Excel, which are very useful to make our work or business more efficient, and also useful in cracking job interviews. So, if you are a student, or a professional who want to learn Excel from basic to advanced, do subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon, so that you can get regular update of upcoming videos. So, let's get started. This is Basic Excel Tutorial Part 1, in which we will understand the use of various format cells in the Home tab, like clipboard, font, alignment, number, styles, cells, and editing. I am taking some random numbers, for calculation purpose. We are going to start with font. First select the cells that you want to format. Now, you can change font face by clicking on this. You can also increase or decrease size by clicking on this. You can also increase or decrease size of text by using these icons. You can also bold your selected cells by clicking on B. And click on I for Italic. For Underline, there are two options, Underline and double underline. Choose one as per your requirement. You can apply various kinds of borders to your data, like bottom, top, left, right, and many more. You can also apply all borders like this. You can change color of cells using this icon. You can also change text color using this icon. Now, let us understand alignment part. You can adjust your text, like you can use top align, middle align, and bottom align. You can also use left align, center align, and right align as per requirement. You can change text orientation by using this icon. Like you can rotate counterclockwise, clockwise, vertical, rotate up, and down. You can increase or decrease margin between borders like this. Now, suppose you want to write a big sentence, but the sentence is going out of the cell. Then just write the sentence and then click on Wrap Text. It will make all content visible in a cell by displaying it on multiple lines. But, if you want your sentence in a single line, then just select the whole sentence and click on Merge and Center. It will merge and combine the selected cells. Now, let us understand number part. You can change number format of cells. Like you can make your text in number format, or in currency, or in accounting. You can also use short dates and long dates like this. You can change your number to time, or in percentage, in fraction also, or in scientific text. You can also put various currency sign like dollar, euro, Chinese, French, and much more. You can change number into percentage by clicking on this. You can put comma on numbers like this. You can increase or decrease decimal places by using these icons. We will do styles part separately in another video so that you can understand in detail. Now, let us understand cells part. If you want to insert a single cell, just go to Insert, then select Insert Cells. There are 4 options. If you select Shift Cell Right, then the selected cell content will shift rightward and a new cell will be inserted. Similarly, if you select Shift Cell Down, then the selected cell content will shift downward and a new cell will be inserted. Select entire row for a new row. And select entire column for a new column. You can also insert entire row or column by going to Insert, and select Insert Sheet Row for a new row, and Insert Sheet Column for a new column. You can insert a new sheet by going to Insert and select Insert Sheet. Similarly, you can delete cells by going to Delete, and select Delete Cells. There are 4 options which are similar as of Insert Cells. You can also delete entire row or columns by selecting this. Also you can delete entire sheet by clicking on Delete Sheets. Now, in Format icon, there are options like Change Row and Column Height, Hide and Unhide Cells and Rename Sheets. You can do this easily by another method. For changing row height, just click here and drag. You can also double-click here for automatic adjustment of height. Similarly, you can change column width by just clicking on here and drag. Double-click here for automatic adjustment. If you want to hide row, select the entire row by clicking here, and right-click, and click on Hide. The entire row will be hidden. If you want to unhide, select the up and down row of hidden row, right-click, and click on Unhide. Similarly, you can do it for hiding column. You can rename sheet by just double-click on sheet name, type a name and click Enter. You can also make copy of sheet. Right-click on sheet name, click on Move or Copy, select Create a Copy, and click Enter. You can shift any sheet. Just click on sheet name, and drag and drop where you want that sheet. This is it for this video. In the next video we will cover remaining topics like styles, editing and format painter. And we will also discuss some important shortcuts, which will make our work easy and more efficient. Please like, share and feel free to comment if you have any query. Thank you.